Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you my final thoughts about this motorcycle, the Fantic Caballero, the 50th anniversary edition, which I already have the review, which you can check up here if you want to check all the major details about the motorcycle. And I've been riding it for the last 3 to 4 days, and there are some things that I like and some things that I don't like. Let's start by the things that I do like. The design and the engine on the motorcycle, they are amazing. Everywhere I go, everywhere I stop, everyone stops and asks me about this motorcycle, starts looking at the motorcycle, all the details. And if I was a Fantic seller, I would probably have sold 2 or 3 motorcycles this weekend, but I am not. I'm just giving you these reviews. And then this beautiful engine, the 450 cc's, it gives you it has enough torque, and it gives you enough top speed for you to have fun. Don't forget you are riding an 8 kg motorcycle, but you can reach interesting speeds. But it also reminds you whenever you need to change gears. Because if you do want to do a little travel, sightseeing, let's suppose you go at 70 kilometers an hour and you want to slow down a little bit to watch the things more carefully. Once you go to the 55 kilometers an hour, the engine starts to give you information. Please change gear, otherwise I will stop. Because we do not have low RPM assistance, we do not have traction control, we do not have cornering ABS. There is nothing on this motorcycle except the ABS, which you can turn on and off whenever you are riding off-road or on tarmac. And as you've seen in my review, I did ride this motorcycle off-road. It is very fun because of its 150 kilograms, very easy to control. The only thing, it's the handlebar. It's a little bit low for me. I'm a tall guy, but that's because I am a really tall guy. And these tires, they do offer a nice grip either in tarmac or off-road. They are not the best ones for the off-road. That's why they have the rally version, which have the better tires for off-road. But these ones are a mix. But they manage for the specification of this motorcycle, for what it is, for you to ride with style. Other things in the motorcycle: seat height 820 millimeters, so it's not low, but it is very easy to stop the motorcycle even if you are short, because the motorcycle, it is very light, 150 kilograms. The seat could be a little bit more comfortable, but that it's because I'm used to more comfortable seats. Otherwise you are fine. And then you have on this side the double exhaust by Arrows that give the motorcycle a really nice sound and makes the ride much more pleasurable. And basically these are the things that I liked and I didn't like on the motorcycle. I'm trying to see if I forgot about something, but no, that's all. I really hope that you like this resume of my 4 days with the motorcycle. Don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for our motorcycles. Link in the description that gives you the first month free. And if you want to keep watching and receiving more videos from me, subscribe the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!